Good afternoon, this is Catherine Strachan. We are at my listing, 5102 South Virginia Dare Trail in Nags Head, and it is a very blustery cold day. So normally I start on the outside of the house, but I'm starting on the top floor in the great room. So as you can see, this is a very updated, bright, spacious great room. And you've got ocean peaks here and pretty nice, decent view there. And then there's a balcony out here to take it all in. And the kitchen's been updated with a new island. We've got stainless steel appliances here and another balcony out back to take in the sunsets. You're facing west here, so you'd have a really pretty sunset. And then all 8 of the bedrooms, with the exception of one, have their own bathrooms. And then the really nice feature of this home as well is there's 2 ensuite bathrooms on the top floor, which is pretty hard to find. So this one is facing east and has a nice ocean view and access out to the balcony that I just showed you. And all the vanities in the bathrooms have been updated. They're really pretty. And the fixtures as well. And then here you have a jacuzzi tub. And in here you've got a stand-up shower. So now we'll go to the second top floor ensuite, which faces west. You've got a powder room here for your guest. And again, all of these bathrooms have updated vanities and light fixtures and mirrors. And here you have a tub. And the rooms are pretty spacious and they've got high ceilings. And also this bedroom has access out to this balcony here, which faces west. So now we'll go down to the mid-level. This is a pretty light fixture here. And the landing. And then this level is the main entrance. Here, that's the main entry door. So you walk up a few steps and then you get to this landing here. And then you've got 2 bedrooms on either side. So you've got 4 en-suites on this level alone. This is the kids' room. And this has access out to the mid-level balcony facing east. And bathroom with a tub, which is great for the kids. And here you have a laundry room, full-size washer dryer. And then another bedroom here with its own bath, of course. And this one also has a tub, so that's nice. And access out to the deck. And then on the other side, you've got 2 large bedrooms, each with king beds, which is pretty sweet. And I believe for the most part, all of these bedrooms have access outside. Double sinks here and a tub. Another king bed and a tub. Access out to the mid-level west balcony. And then we will go down to the ground level. And this property does have its own private heated pool. So here we are on the ground level. This is a pretty nice spacious game room with a kitchenette and a movie theater room which is pretty awesome, especially if you have renters that are here and the weather's bad. It gives them something to do. Then you've got another kid's room and another bathroom with a tub. And then your final bedroom is down here, and this is a queen, but you could easily put a king size bed here if you wanted. And then this one overlooks the pool. We're still into March, so the pool isn't perfect, but it is a large concrete pool. And here you've got a bathroom for this bedroom as well. So I'm sorry we haven't done a good exterior tour yet, but the weather is in the mid-40s and it's about 25-mile-per-hour winds, so not the most ideal day for that. But I will post some pictures of the exterior along with this video. So here you go. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I am having the open house until 3 today, so if you'd like to come on by and check it out, please do. Thank you.